Hey formulators, ever wondered why only a few people succeeded in the world of organic formulations? Well, stick around because today we're diving into the reason behind it. The road to becoming a successful formulator is challenging. Our 5 years of working with thousands of aspiring formulators, we've noticed 5 common mistakes that often stand in the way of success. Let's break them down and discuss how you can overcome these hurdles. First, trial and error. Your first formulations may not be perfect, and that's okay. It's like learning to ride a bike. You might be at first, but with practice you'll create the dream product you've always wanted. Second, ingredient knowledge. Formulation is an art of playing with ingredients. Don't just follow recipes blindly you find. Understand your ingredients. Always remember safety and precision are key. Third, be patient. Remember, patience pays off. Rome wasn't built in one day, and neither is a successful formulator. Stay dedicated and keep learning throughout your journey. Small wins lead to big victories. Compliance matter. Don't overlook this. Global cosmetic compliance guidelines and local regulations are crucial. We at Long Canyon even have a dedicated model to guide you through this often overlooked aspect. Last but not the least, invest wisely. Free DIYs can be tempting, but investing in quality education pays off. Learn from credible sources like Long Canyon to secure your future and brand authenticity. Are you ready to overcome these hurdles and be a part of a global community of passionate formulators? Click the link to enroll now. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Remember, success in formulation is not just about creating products. It's about owning your beauty brand and making your mark. Inside Long Canyon accredited courses, we've got the tools, knowledge, and motivation to guide you every step of the way. Ready to turn your dreams into reality? Let's do it together. Click the link and join the exciting journey of becoming a certified organic formulator. See you inside.